Good morning to all. The topic which we are going to discuss is shape memory alloys. The plan of the lecture goes like this. What is a shape memory alloys? What are the phases which has shape memory alloys? Shape memory effect, pseudo elastic effect and the applications of SMA. First, we'll see what is shape memory alloys, that is SMA. Smart materials are that have the ability to return to their original shape when they are subjected to appropriate thermal procedure, whether it can be a heating or a cooling. Smart memory alloys was discovered at Naval Ordnance Labs in 1932. In 1962, nickel titanium alloys, that is SMA, was found, which exhibits shape memory significantly and revolutionized the field of research. Shape memory alloys can tolerate strain up to 3 to 25 times higher than piezoelectric crystals. They also have called as intelligent materials, smart materials, smart alloys, and memory alloys. The examples of SMA are nickel, titanium, gold, cadmium, nickel, copper, zinc, aluminum. There are two different types of SMA. One is one-way SMA, the other one is two-way SMA. One-way SMA means which exhibits a shape memory effect only upon heating, that is, it does not return to its original shape while cooling. In case of two-way SMA, this SMA material exhibits a shape memory effect during both heating and cooling. What are the phases of SMA? In case of SMA materials, there are two different phases, martensite and austenite. Martensite phase exhibits at low temperature, which is relatively soft and easily deformable. Austenite phase is higher temperature phase. This phase is highly symmetric phase. In this we can see a macroscopic view of austenite phase, then twinned martensite phase, then deformed martensite phase. What are the characteristics of SMA? They are shape memory effect, pseudo elasticity, hysteresis, and super elasticity. We'll see one by one. First, shape memory effect. At low temperature, the SMA will be in martensite structure, and when it is heated, then it will change its shape to austenite structure. That is, before 723 Kelvin, this retains in martensite structure. After that, it becomes a austenite structure. While cooling, it will again return to martensite form. This is shown in figure. At lower temperature, this is in martensite form, that is deformed martensite. While heating, this deformed martensite form will become an austenite form. While cooling, the austenite form makes the twinned martensite form. Next, we are going to see pseudo elasticity. SMA can recover its shape due to stress when it is maintained at a constant temperature, which is T2 lies between T1 and T3, that is the phases between austenite temperature and martensite temperature. Then super elasticity. The SMA which have change in its shape at constant temperature are called super elastic SMAs, and this effect is known as super elasticity, which is shown in figure. Next one is hysteresis. The difference between the transition temperature for heating and cooling is called hysteresis. Normally hysteresis is in the form from the changes in temperature. The applications of SMA. Value made of SMAs are used to control and prevent fire, toxic gases, and liquid flow to large extent. Movable and flexible toys of butterflies, snakes, frogs, lizards, etc. can be made with SMA materials. The lifetime of helicopter blades depends on vibration and they return to its original shape. Thus, SMAs are used in helicopter blades. They could be used in monitoring of civil engineering structures to assess durability. Monitoring of the current and long-term behavior of a bridge would be lead to enhanced safety during its life. Nickel titanium are used to make eyeglass frames which can be bent back and forth. They offer improved comfort and durability. SMA is used in artificial heart, dental and some of the ortho applications such as bone plates and healing bone fractures. SMEs are used as thermostats to open and close the valves at required temperatures in gas industries. The super elastic property of nickel titanium alloy makes it ideal for manufacture of retractable antennas used in cellular phones. SMA is pasted in between the two metal tubes to be joined at particular temperature. When there is a change in temperature, the SMA expands and thus the ends of the two metal tubes are joined. So in this we have discussed shape memory alloys with the characteristics and the applications. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.